Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Wednesday. That means it's time for our midweek update. Can't believe it's Wednesday already this week. So let's talk about where we're going this week and what we've been doing here. It's been an overall pretty quiet week here in the market. And you look at what's going on, you have these four candles that are very, very similar. And we're kind of in a little box trying to break it to the upside, trying to break it to the downside, but we really haven't gone anywhere. Overall, this is a nice digest pattern after a big 5-day up move. Relative strength here, you can see still curling up, still looks good. I favor a bounce and a push higher. We'll see. Um, we do have PCE on Friday at 10 o'clock, maybe. And we say maybe because they canceled it 2 days before last time, so it doesn't mean they will or won't. That will be telling, and then we have the Fed decision next week. But overall, this market feels like it wants to push higher, and the SPY, after selling off this morning, came back. Let's talk about that briefly. First things first, right here, this candle right here, we had a ADP report that was negative 35,000 jobs. You can see the market doesn't care. The market wants rate cuts. So, weak jobs report, it's good. Bad economy is good right now in the market size. And then right here is where the problem started. This is where a bogus report came out from the information on Microsoft saying that they had lowered their AI sales forecast on weak demand. And down we came. Right? And we bounced off this trend line. This trend line is a breakdown of that downtrend, right? So still showing validity to it. And we started coming up and up and up and up. And somewhere in here, um, CNBC finally got a hold of Microsoft, and Microsoft called them and said, this is utter bullshit. This is a hit piece. Bottom line is back up we are, and here we just hit highs of the day. We're not quite breaking out, but we're close. And you're just, a stone's throw from the all-time high right now. The Qs got hit a little harder, but roared back just as strong. It was an IWM day. Look at this move today on the IWM, gapped up, trapped shorts, and here it is breaking above that range, not far from the all-time highs. Energy was very strong again today. The banks were in fuego today, whether it was Goldman Sachs, which is just shy of the all-time high, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, new, not sure if an all-time high or not. Citigroup is a like 20-year high. I mean, you just had strength all over the place there. The home build XHB, the home builders had a strong day. There was a lot of strength out there. Retail, Walmart had another big day. I mean, this thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up days in a row. Can't touch it, but this thing's in fuego. Macy's report was good. They came running back. There was a lot to like here. What else? Let's talk about Uber. Uber had talked today that the CEO is heading to Asia next week, specifically Hong Kong and Taiwan. That was nice enough to move that one up. Tesla on the robotics talk that Trump wants to sign some type of executive order to help robotics in early next year. Got that one moving. Huge move on Tesla. By the way, Tesla is a small player in robotics right now. Yes, Optimus is cool and could be very big. Amazon and Google have huge robotics that would help them greatly. But everybody knows Trump and Musk are frenemies, so that's why that was good. Nice breakout above the 50-day. That one looks good there. Google, speaking of that, one came running back, held the 8-day on the dip. Hood traded this one today. Beautiful day there as well. Look at this pop up, breaking above the 50-day looks good. Coin trying to break back to the upside as well, not looking bad. Apple today, nice new all-time high, and finally doink, it was overdue. Up 7 days in a row, it needed that. Meta, a little disappointing, but still looks great on that chart, like it's ready to rock. Microsoft got slammed and now it's coming back up. Why is Microsoft not recovered? Well, I don't know. I'm long some December 490 calls. I'll figure it out tomorrow or the next day. If I don't like them, I'll roll them further out. But if it's a hit piece, I like that good. Guys, what am I missing here today? What else was really strong today? I mean, it was just kind of one of those days. It's very, very specific names, and those names worked very well. The index is slow grind back up. The market looks good. Anyway, wishing you all good. Happy holidays. SMHs, thank you. The SMHs, forgot. Nice move, nice recovery there on SMHs today. It's not about NVIDIA. NVIDIA is still weak today. AMD is still weak off those Microsoft headlines. It's really about the companies that make the equipment to produce chips. AMAT, nice move all-time high. ASML, new all-time high. LRCX, nice move. You guys get the idea. onsemi has been on an absolute rage, and I have no idea why today it's going up. Marvel had a good report at the end of the day, and it's kind of a doji candle, but still looks good. Intel, after yesterday's huge move, a little bit up here today, looking just fine. BMY, my friends want me to point out in the room there from Greg. Thank you. BMY, nice break here, nice move up there. UPS, the transports remain strong, breaking out. When I will say this: when the transports are strong and if they keep running, the market's going to go up. Now, may not be a tech trade. It's going to be more and more of the Dow type trade. That keep that in mind. All right, that's it. Be good, be safe. Link in the description if you want to join us. We'd love to have you in the room, and happy holidays, everybody.